One of the easiest ways to make passive income over 40 is to do product review videos for Amazon. What do I mean by that? Now, you probably heard a lot of buzz about doing product reviews for Amazon, but in order to do that, you've got to meet a certain criteria. So not everybody gets into the program. However, if you're looking for passive income, this may be one of the easiest ways to create passive income. I've done a lot of things, and you can check my channel for more information about different side hustles. But this is one of those side hustles that you can do when you feel comfortable or you've got the time. If you don't have the time to make a video, it's not a big deal. I'll be quite honest, I probably make about maybe 2 videos a month, but I'm bringing in between $500 and $1,000 in commission checks based upon this. It's one of the easiest gigs. Once you're in, you're in. Then you can focus on doing, multiple videos if you want. But people, please do not think too much into this though, because there's a lot of people out there that are saying, how can I create better thumbnails? How can I create? Remember, when you're looking at a video, especially as a consumer, you're not going to be looking for the hottest thumbnail if you're on Amazon. You just want to see regular people talk about regular products. I find, and this is sort of a quick tip, the more plain Jane type video it is, the more product I usually sell based upon that video. And I think it's mostly because people just want real. They don't want something that's overly done. I'm not going to be always sitting behind a desk with a mic and it looks like sort of a podcast type setting. But what I'm telling you is, if you're looking for a side hustle and you're not there yet, I will tell you one of the biggest ones to do is to sell products based on Amazon and do it in a way where you can walk around your house. I guarantee you right now, you can walk around your house, use the Amazon Lens on your Amazon app, and even if you didn't buy it from Amazon and they have it, you can easily create a video based on that product. I'm telling you, it just doesn't get any easier than that. Some of the mistakes most people make are to get into the program. They might start up a Facebook, an Instagram, a TikTok, or YouTube, and they may not qualify based upon what? It's not so much the follower count. The biggest part is engagement. Platforms like Amazon are looking to see that you've got good engagement with the people that are responding to your page. Now, with that being said, you do not want to take other people's videos, splice them together, and call them your own. You still want to be original. What does that mean? Well, whatever your niche is, whatever you're excited about, let's say it's sewing, everything on your page should relate to that. But maybe you talk about products that are related to help your sewing out. Remember, we're solving problems. We want to know what products may be better or enhance your sewing methods, things of that sort. So think about that. You don't want to, have a trip to Disney. You don't want to have, your kids, second grade dance on there. Like you want to keep it separate from everything. You can have all those things on your personal pages, but I would say be laser focused on that niche that you're trying to basically show Amazon, hey, I'm serious about this. Here's what I want to do. A lot of people don't get in the program because they're not going to put in the work at all. So I will say this, there is a little bit of work, but once you're in, and then you can decide how many videos you want to do a month. So check it out. If you want to learn more about the program, I did put together a small little PDF, very easy to get through, the do's, the don'ts, the ins, the outs. I make no guarantees, but the whole point is this. I've helped out hundreds and hundreds of people with just this PDF, and I can tell you, if you're looking to get in, there is no one size fits all, but I can tell you from experience and from other people's experiences, what I know now, how to get into the program. So be sure to check out down below in the description box where you can pick up your copy today of my Passive Video Earn Mastery course. See you soon.